Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about how to send the emails in Ruby on Rails. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. To send the emails in Ruby on Rails application, you can use the ActionMailer, which is a framework built into Rails to handle the email generation and the delivery. Here is a step-by-step guide how to set up and send the emails. First of all, we have to generate a new mailer using the Rails generator. How? Rails generate mailer, notification mailer. This could be any kind, any name over here. Okay. So first generate the action mailer with the help of this generate mailer. So let's go to the terminal and let's do this one. Okay. So here we go with it will generate app mailer notification underscore mailer dot rb and the views and the test cases. Okay, so this is it already generates, so let's use that one. So define the mailer action. First of all, app mailer notification mailer dot. So let's go to the mailers. So we have mailers over here. So let's go and check. Here we have a mailers notification mailer. Let's try to add the code over here. So here we have a class notification mailer. So here we have notify email function. Okay, let's try to add this. Okay, so default you can change. It accepts email and the name, and according to it it will send the email. Okay, next we have to create the email views. Okay, so we need to create views in the app views notification. I think it's already generated over here, views. Then we go with the notification mailer, and here we have to create a file which name as notify email html.erb. Okay, so let's create this one. Okay, this is done. Let's try to add the file over there. Okay, so this is your view section, the template. Done. Let's configure the smtp settings in the development environment. Let's go with this one. So config. So here we have this, we have to go with the config, then environments, then development.erb. So make sure you have to add the respective details or credentials, username, password. Currently I'm using the Gmail one, so this is for my credentials which I'm adding over here. So only this, you can see that this part I have added over there. Okay, so this is I have added. In the production environment you have to go with like this. Okay, next step, send the email from the controller. So necessary logic, so let's create a notification controller that triggers the email. So I'm going to create this notification controller, notifications controller dot rb. Okay, so here we go with our notifications controllers. Let's create this one, new file. Okay, so let's create that one, add the logic over here for sending the email. So this is for small little bit code that will help you to send the email. Okay, so this is done. Accepts the email and the name. Okay, notification mailer dot notify function, I'm going to use that one. Email and the name, deliver now, redirect to the root one. Okay, and the notice that email has been sent. Okay, next move to the add a form to trigger the mail. So we have to create the form now. In the app views we have to go with notifications, then new html.erb. So let's create the view section. Here we have a views, we have a notifications. Okay, let's create that one folder, notifications, and let's create new html.erb. Okay, so let's create that one, and here we are going to add our form. Okay, so this is our form that I'm going to add it. This is my form. Okay, and now I'm going to add a route over here. So post. So let's go to the config routes. So I have already opened, I suppose. Not here. Okay, let's scroll this and let's go to the config. where it is routes.rb. So let's add this route over here. Send notification. Let's submit it. Save this. Now Rails server. Okay, let's hit the enter. Let's open, and we have to go with our route. Let's check the route, that is notifications. Okay, send notifications. No, I think it should be notifications. Let's check the routes then. What are the exact routes we have? I think the post, we have the options, right? So rail routes. Okay, so I get all the routes over here. So we have a post send notification, post method slash send notification. Okay, so this is our route. Notifications, new. Just a minute. How, I think I need to check this. Welcome back. Basically, the issue is that I haven't defined the routes over there, and I haven't defined the HTML also. Okay, so I have defined right now. So here we go with our code. So first of all, I have to go with our, let me just hide this. So we have to create the new html.erb, which is already created. Then in the notifications controller, I need to define the new function to render my new html.erb. Okay, and then we have to go with the routes to create the, open this form for the application. So we have to go with our new html.erb. So this is already created, right? And now we go with the routes. So let me go with the routes, where it is. Let me go with routes over here, config. Then we have a routes.rb. Okay, so here I'm going to add a route over here for opening that one, the new notifications slash new notification. Okay, so this is the new notification that I'm going to add, that is for the new. So new function is already there in our controller. Let me go and just check. So where we have a notifications controller, new. Okay, so this is that one. So let's open that one. So slash new notifications. Okay, so I'm going to add our any email, that is temp1. So I'm going to use this temporary email. Just copy this, and let's try to add this, and here over testing. Okay, let's try to send the email. So this is basically undefined variable, that is root paths. So let's check the email, and it will come over here. So here you can see that important notifications from the app. I received the notification. Hello, my name testing. We want you to notify your app. This is our email template. If I go and check this one, we have created that email template. So let me go and just mailer notify email. We want to notify about something about in your app, you can visit. So this is our HTML template that we have to send. Now we have successfully delivered or sent the email on Ruby on Rails. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.